Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable developer option in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this TECNO Pouvoir 4 and for somehow or some reason you want to enable developer option in your device. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click in your device settings section. After click over there, you need to click here the first one which is saying my phone. After click over my phone, you're going to see all your phone specification. Here you need to click here valid number. You need to click here 7 times to turn on developer option. You can see it's saying now you are now a developer. Now you need to go, let me go back, and if I go in my device systems, I'm going to see there is now appear developer option. So this is how you can easily enable developer option in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.